Basement. To dream of a basement represents your deepest, darkest thoughts, emotions, and memories. A basement points to problems that you don't want to deal with or issues that may be very uncomfortable thinking about. To see a wall in a basement in a dream can indicate that things will be revealed. Go forward. If you notice somebody you know in the basement, this could symbolize an issue or problem and you haven't yet found the solution. If you know this person, it can give you a clue to the type of relationship that you have with them. A basement may reflect the worsening of a problem or trouble that you are overwhelmed by. A basement is a sign that you may have unresolved issues, or problems that the ego may not allow you to explore without assistance. An empty basement represents the waking of one's ego. That is your own consciousness. The basement itself could be dark or unlit. If you dream that you are in a basement of a house, and even if in your dream the basement visit was an unpleasant experience, it means that you're going to find prosperous opportunities. The basement can also link with what your present personality has been built upon, your past or family and cultural influences. If there are no walls to the cellar, or tunnels leading from it, it shows an openness or connection with influences beyond your own personality. If the basement is dark or unlit, then this indicates your true anxieties about life. A haunted basement is a symbolism in dreams that you need to avoid disastrous consequences. Alternatively, think about your ambitions in life. Hiding in an underground bunker from natural disaster in a dream is a sign that you are afraid of the condemnation of others. Being in a clean, dry basement with vegetables along with other people in a dream is a sign that you will receive good income soon. If you are imprisoned in a basement during the dream, this can signify that in waking life you feel trapped in a situation. A creepy or strange basement indicates that you are going to have difficult times in the future. If the basement is a mess, and you see great disorder and clutter, it suggests that you may be experiencing confusion and that it is a very good time to sort things out emotionally and psychologically. To clean the basement in the dream is a sign that you are cleansing certain spiritual depression and frustrations that you have stored deep inside. Finding a basement in the dream foretells that you will fall into unexplained situations that will make you think twice about deciding on something. To find yourself in an unusual basement means that others will require much from you in the weeks ahead. To visit a neighbor's basement is a sign that one will be attracted to careers which involve travel, communication, and creativeness. Living in someone's basement in the dream indicates that you will be desperate to be living in an unpleasant situation. To dream that you are building a basement refers to changing values and priorities. To dream about basement leaking water or having plumbing issues foretells that you may have a health problem that may take a turn for the worse. To have a basement completely flooded in the dream with burst pipes is a sign that you have serious unresolved issues. To be attacked in a basement means intellectually demanding work which benefits others. Basement burning on fire in the dream reflect the worsening of a problem and trouble that you are overwhelmed with. Seeing a basement in a dream is a sign of the fact that the owner of the dream has a bad fortune, the path of the achievements are blocked, and the vicinity of this person is surrounded by bad people. Seeing the basement in the dream is explained as the spiritual depression, to the misery, frustrations, fears and troubles of the dreamer. To dream about a big large basement, is a sign that you are encountering a very good time to sort things out emotionally and psychologically. To dream about a cold basement or even frozen in ice, is a sign that you are feeling humbled or even unworthy. Seeing a dark basement in a dream means mishaps will be in your life, to the failure of your plans, and to the fact that you will begin to move in the opposite direction of what you have expected from your life. To be at a church basement indicates that you are having some second thoughts or doubts about the religion that you are taking a part in. To throw or participate in a house party in the basement indicates that you are sharing your deepest desires with people closest to you. Alternatively, the basement can also be seen as a storage area. The basement is a place where people put objects that are not important enough to keep in the house for daily use, but not useless enough to throw away as trash. To dream about a workshop in a basement represents some type of turning point in your career and hobby life. To see snakes in your basement in the dream is a sign that you need to be aware of lies within your subconscious. You or others might be feeding yourself fake and untrue ideas. Having dogs in the basement point to a sign that you might be taking your close friends for granted. To see a hidden basement in the dreams foretells that you will come into good fortune and wealth.